Hello again. Okay, let's continue on with this painting. I have saved this painting, and over here are the layers that we have made. Now, how I like to do this is I like to group my layers. So I hold the shift down and I select the layers that I want to group, and I come over here to layer commands and then group layer. And that'll be sky. Or whatever you want to call it. But that's my sky layers, clouds, water. Then these layers we're going to group those, and we're going to call those mountain. And see, there's my mountains in a group. And then I just can click on another layer and I continue on. This group would be trees, or like background trees, or I just name them something to keep them separate. And the reason that I like to do this is because then I can come back in and I can make a change to something. If later on I don't like where these mountains are at, I can move those mountains, for instance. Or I've painted trees and don't like where the trees are at, then I can come in and shift the trees back around. If we're doing everything on one layer, that makes it a lot harder to do that. But because I want to make sure that this painting goes smooth as far as frame rate and it's not all jittery and hard to watch, I want to flatten these. So I want to collapse those layers and just OK that. And now there they are on, we'll just call them mountain. Okay, now I want to save that because I want to start off separately. I called that first part that we have just done paint 1-1, and this will be paint 1-2. And then later on, I'll make 1-3, 1-4. So I could still go back if I need to and go back to 1-1 where all those layers were at. And there'll be layers here that we're going to build now. And that'll be saved in the -2. And we'll just keep going like that.